a major polyethylene plant called in AESSEAL to solve a critical problem with their lobe blowers, which are essential for providing the precise airflow needed for trouble-free production. The Italian company's labyrinth seals were failing every 6 months, costing them downtime, extra maintenance, and expensive replacement parts. AESSEAL recommended fitting our MagTecta bearing protector, which uses magnetically energized faces to protect equipment from the external contamination and loss of lubrication that causes bearing failure. The advanced design requires no routine maintenance, is non-wearing, and offers double the protection of a conventional labyrinth seal. Following installation, the mean time between failure of the lobe blowers increased by over 400%. Saving the company more than €144,000 in just 30 months. If your critical plant is suffering premature failure because of problems with pumps or rotating equipment, call AESSEAL.